As India expands its economy, reaching 1.4 trillion US dollars, there has been considerable interest all over the world in what is called the India story. Let me go back a bit. Soon after our independence, we moved quickly to catch up on the industrial front. 200 years of colonial rule by the British had laid waste to the Indian industrial heartland. We virtually began from scratch. Our leadership, invested in institutes of higher learning. Breakthroughs were made in the agricultural sector in the form of the Green Revolution that enabled the country to feed its large growing population and become ultimately a net exporter of food grains. A revival of the Indian scientific tradition saw Indian scientists achieve notable successes in various advanced technological fields of satellite design and launch capabilities, nuclear energy, biotechnology, and computer sciences. The Indian economy has demonstrated resilience in meeting the challenges posed by globalization. In the last 2 decades, our industry, especially the large and the medium industry, has restructured to become globally competitive. This process is continuing. Indian engineering industry in particular has made impressive strides in development and modernization of manufacturing facilities, producing high-quality new generation products and meeting the challenges of the fast-growing global demand. The competitiveness of Indian manufactured goods in the global markets has significantly improved. Higher output growth rates have allowed the Indian industry to improve major performance indicators such as labor productivity, ranking India amongst top 10 manufacturing countries of the world. Indian business has responded very positively to the opportunities thrown up by globalization and is looking to maximize these opportunities further by working with the manufacturing sector in Thailand, which is known for its efficiency, productivity, and innovation. It is significant to note that India's engineering exports have become the main propeller of growth in India's total exports. Engineering exports for the last fiscal year, that is 2010 and 2011, were worth US $60 billion, as Mr. Shah has already mentioned, which shows nearly 85% growth over engineering exports of the previous year. Engineering products like machinery and instruments, metals and alloys, machine tools and iron and steel bars and rods are in value terms the top item of India's exports. This indicates the quality and price that match these goods manufactured in India and what we offer to the world. India, in fact, is a unique platform for exhibiting India's capabilities and expertise in the engineering sector in an emerging market. Exposure to more than 150 engineering companies from India will enable companies in Thailand to access areas of trade and technical compatibility for joint collaborations. Thailand plays a pivotal role in our foreign policy and in particularly what we call the Engaged East policy. At a time when trade and investment flows between the two countries are gaining momentum, I'm happy that the business communities of our two countries are looking to expand their trade into newer and diversified areas such as food processing, infrastructure, hospitality, and manufacturing sectors. Bilateral trade and investment between India and Thailand are showing a rapid boost. From 1st of January 2010 is already contributing significantly to this expansion in trade. Early finalization of the India-ASEAN Services and Investment Agreement and the comprehensive India-Thailand Free Trade Agreement currently under negotiation will further enhance trade and investment both at bilateral and regional levels. Investment by Indian and and Thai companies in each other's countries is also growing. Several major Indian companies are operating in Thailand and are diversifying, expanding their presence here in several sectors including steel, automobiles, IT, broadband services, pharmaceuticals, and ICT. At the same time, leading Thai companies like the CP Group, Delta Electronics, Brixa Real Estate, and Ijal Thai have established a growing presence in India, especially in the fields of agro-processing, electronics and telecommunication, infrastructure, and automotive sectors. We welcome this growing engagement. Our Thai friends have recognized the opportunities of doing business with India, just as Indian business has been actively exploring the complementarities of doing business in Thailand, which also provides a window to the Southeast Asian region. The government of India sees the opportunity in the emerging market of Thailand and ASEAN. With Manufacturing Expo, this exhibition as a leading platform for technology and machinery, and Indy 2011 being held together will I hope facilitate the growing mutual business interest between the two countries. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Reed and TradeX for inviting exhibitors from India to be part of this exhibition, and I wish them all success. Let me conclude by saying that India is committed to building ever closer links with Thailand, which is in our extended neighborhood. In fact, India and Thailand are maritime neighbors. We are working closely with Thailand on a bilateral level, as also in the context of regional cooperative frameworks. I am confident that this partnership will continue to grow stronger over the coming years and decades. Thank you very much. Khop khun krap.
Industrial Fellow. As a representative of the Royal Thai government, I am very pleased to be invited to give a keynote speech at the opening ceremony of Manufacturing Expo. This will be the start of another great edition of this magnificent show. This year, it is 2011, which altogether support the different sectors of automotive manufacturing. The Indian government has seen the potential of manufacturing market in Thailand and ASEAN, which show many industries. A case in point is Thailand automotive industry, which has been recognized as the world's 1 ton pickup truck production base and the world's 7th largest automation to private company and the show organizer as well as exhibitor effort in creating this respective business platform. I have no doubt in the space of the material industry in Thailand and ASEAN that every industry will relate to, especially in terms of the opening ceremony, which the Ministry of Industry has a target on green growth, income, jobs, and social equity has already been experienced in every corner of the world. In response to this challenge, it is necessary for our country to strengthen the foundation to open a new period of low carbon green growth. The argument is based on the rationale that returning to the previous economic growth pattern could make our economy more vulnerable to similar crises that can occur again in the future. In fact, nowadays, several countries in the world have using the aim to promote sustainable pattern of production and consumption, such as patterns that are resource and along of poverty alleviation through promoting energy security, health and safety, jobs, also reducing costs through increased productivity. For the role of Ministry of Industry, Trade Industry. According to Thailand's commitment to the Rio Declaration on Environment and Development, and also Manila declaration of achievement of the foreign action. Actually, we have 9 action and measures that we are working under the Ministry of Industry, under the policy of green industry. The first action is the Thai Green Action, which are serving the same function. The scheme is developed to promote the concept of resource of the waste. This type of transaction avoid disposal costs, while the purchase of used raw material can be done at low.
กราบเรียนเชิญท่านประธานในพิธีนำตัดริบบิ้นเปิดงานอย่างเป็นทางการณบัดนี้ค่ะ
It's now time to cut the ribbon. 1, 2, 3.
ท่านประธานในพิธีและแขกผู้มีเกียรติบนเวทีร่วมถ่ายภาพเป็นที่ระลึกค่ะ
Very in Bangkok are now officially open. We will now hold a lighting ceremony to mark the inauguration of the Bangkok at Hall 105, and we would like to invite all of you to the ceremony.
บริษัทรีเทเล็กซ์จำกัดได้บรรลุทุกวัตถุประสงค์ทางธุรกิจที่ตั้งไว้ขอบพระคุณและสวัสดีค่ะ
Retailers would like to express our appreciation for your kind attendance. We hope that you will enjoy and make every minute in these trade exhibitions and conferences count, and that you will meet all of your business objectives. Thank you very much.
Please.